Nobody was expecting this, but a couple days ago, Orca published a new update, or released a new update. And that's a big deal, because they updated their weather tab. And if you might remember my previous review where I was talking about Orca experience in general, the weather page is kinda there, but it's way better to use than anything else, because at this point it's quite hard to read it. On the previous version, thankfully I still have one of the device which is still using the previous version, you pretty much when you open weather tab, you clearly cannot understand what's going on. You just cannot understand where you're pointing at, you cannot understand where the graph is pointing at. So let's say you move to this area, and where exactly is this graph pointing at? Like, is it like in the middle of the screen? Is it like at the icon with the like forecast, or like what's going on? So it was like totally useless before, but damn, the new update it's making like a huge difference. So first of all, right now there is a normal marker in the middle of the screen, which if you move around, it will actually show where you're looking for the weather forecast, and the graphs will show for this specific location. Finally, it's looking really nice. Plus, they finally have a particle visualization of wind and rain and waves and tides, and everything is looking cool. But it's not that important if it's not accurate. I know a lot of people were using Windy and Saving Navy, some other services to predict wind. I was trying to use them. They're not intuitive. In my region, in west coast of Canada, I use Ocean Connect. This is what I was using go-to every time. Doesn't matter. Like, even though when you open this website it says not for navigation use and not only for information, etc., is pretty much collecting data from all local weather buoys and weather stations and everything, because it's like local. It's the best thing what we can technically have here, at least in our experience of owning and traveling on a boat like for more than 2 years. It never failed compared to other services. So we have something to compare with. And if we compare a new Orca update to this service, it's actually pretty decent. I mean, mostly it showed the same wind direction, the same strength, the same everything. And finally, it means what we can actually use something for navigation and for weather prediction at the same time. Hooray! That's a good deal. So this is a really cool thing, because before, as perhaps many of you use like, let's say, Navionics or Orca or something else for navigation, or you use another website for forecast. It's annoying. It's because it's way more easier when you have everything in one app. I have to interrupt it here because I actually wanted to show how you can use new weather tab for navigation. But unfortunately, how you can see, in theory, there is supposed to be a graph with the wind prediction along the road, which is supposed to be here, but it doesn't work. I mean, right now it just show, I guess, at this current moment of the time. So I guess I found the bug. The first release was not ideal, but I see potential in this thing. But how you can see, unfortunately, right now, see there's like 2 tiny bits of information where it was supposed to be, right? So this was supposed to be like 0.1, and after, as soon as we go along the road, which I just built, it should show how strong the wind's supposed to be at any moment of a time, which actually was working in the previous version of Orca app. So I guess we need to wait for another update. Only I wanted to say something about what the weather prediction during the road was not working, and the new patch was released and it's working on Android and iOS. And it's actually kind of sick, because if you see right now, if I will build the road for today, and if I will go, I will press the weather tab, and you can see what it's actually. If I will switch to wind tab, it's pretty windy today. But if I will go back and press, let's say, tomorrow, the same time, it can show me the weather prediction for tomorrow, and how you can see the wind prediction looks way better tomorrow. So right now I can actually see the wind, tides, and rain prediction along the road with the visualization, and it is kind of cool because I mean it saves a lot of time, because before, how I said earlier, we would need to go to Ocean Connect and see along the road, let's say in 2 hours or in 3 hours, where the wind would be around the area where we're gonna go. So this is a huge feature. This is a huge feature. So it looks cool. I like how it looks like, finally. Another thing which I wanted to share, there is update about our Orca Core 2 giveaway. The thing is, what Emperor Penguin decided what they would not want to take the core, and they decided to give it to somebody else. So the Orca Core is still trying to find its owner. I don't know. I never did giveaways, and I didn't imagine what it's gonna be so hard to give something for free to somebody. All right, so let's make it simple this time. To make sure that there would be no random entries to giveaway, to actually, if you agree with the rules of the giveaway and you actually want a core, write not just a random comment, but make sure what you include word Orca in your comment. So this way I would be able to filter for the comments with the Orca word, and we will choose from one of you who actually want an Orca core. All right, let's do it this way. And the cool thing is, when you will get your Orca core, the new weather prediction app feature update is already will be there, which is kind of cool, right? So you will have Orca core navigation, weather forecast, and you will try it on your own for free. Hey, what's not a good deal? If you're curious what Orca is about, what do they have, etc., we have a separate video on our YouTube channel. The link is gonna be perhaps here. Just go and click on it, or in the description. Also, we will provide links. This video is not sponsored by Orca. I just wanted to share you new update. And links in the descriptions, they're gonna be affiliate. So if you press on them and buy something, you help us, because we will get a little bit of money from those sales. But yeah, that's how this world works. Let me know what you think about this weather setup, because you can actually test it even without core. You can just download the Orca app, and it's absolutely free. Just go and check this out, just download and see what do you think. Compare it to your weather thing, because I know what the Orca, this weather thing works in pretty much a lot of regions around the world. Let me know how it's working in your region. Let's discuss in the comment what do you think about this new update. Write the comment with the Orca word if you want to have an Orca. If you don't want an Orca and you write an Orca, just write it like this in the comment. So we're not gonna waste another video. I want to give the Orca core to somebody else already, finally. I mean, it's already beginning of the season. Come on, guys. Let's hurry up. Let's speed up the process. That's it. That was a short video. Thank you for watching. I hope Anna will help. Thank you for me for the short video, because it was quite busy several last weeks editing videos for you guys. Say shout out to Anna. All right, I'm finishing yapping for today. Thank you for watching. Okay, see you in the next one. Okay, I think it's good. It's good, right?